Hello. I am so sorry. I looked at my list of things. Well, I'm starting with an apology. No. Let's start this over. Hi! Welcome to Math 1319 Math in the Modern World. My name's Tuesday Johnson. I'll be your instructor, and you've been doing fine without me for 2 weeks, so I'm going to go away now. Okay, so I'm really sorry. I guess it slipped my mind in the whole mess of everything, and I'm gonna make it up to you. We got some good things coming down the line here. Okay, so I'm Tuesday Johnson. I'm your instructor. We will have a TA for this class, and she's gonna start grading for us this week. She was assigned to me the first week. Please do not blame her for the backlog in grading. That is 100% me because I haven't given her instructions yet. Let me give you guys instructions. So if you start here, right, syllabus contact information. I'm about to change this for you, however, and give you some updated information. The syllabus, if we click here, basic information, my name, Tuesday, yes. Office is in the library, 510. Office hour, these are going to change. Okay, this is going to change, and I'm going to send an announcement that has this video in it. So you need the book. You don't need anything else. Get a cheap calculator. It's all good. Regular 90 to 100, 80 to 90 grade breakdowns. Course is set up in chapter modules. All that work from the module due on a week-by-week basis. You may submit as you complete the work throughout the week, or you may submit at the deadline. Late work will not be accepted. Let me explain that to you. All work will have a due date of Friday. And I put a due date on Friday because I do not work weekends, and I don't expect my students to work weekends. However, I know many of you do. So I will accept work through Sunday of the weekend immediately following, or in the case of that first week, I accepted through the Labor Day holiday as well. Late work will not be accepted starting Monday of the week immediately after the due dates unless the Monday is an official holiday. So I don't accept late work. It's due Friday. You have until Sunday. I'll give you the weekend for free. And then once Monday comes, we'll start grading. Once it's graded, we won't accept anymore. All of your assignments, you'll have options. You also have a calendar so you can keep track. It's one assignment a week, and I hope that we can keep up to date on that pretty well. Each week you will work on a single section of homework. Complete it on paper or electronically, and then upload the assignment. You have 5 submission attempts, but I'm only grading 1. All right. Sometimes you upload the wrong file. Check it and make sure you uploaded the right file. Sometimes you upload an incomplete file, so you might need a second attempt or submission just to get the right files uploaded. You do not get to redo the assignments, however. It's an online class. We won't have a lot of small group meetings, but I want to show you something. I'm going to get rid of this thing. Suppose we're working on an assignment here in chapter 2. Oh, look at that. We have the dates on here. So we're working on section 2.3, and here I am on the homework. Because of course I've done everything else already. Did you notice this little person bubble icon? If I click here, hey, does anyone have any idea of a good story to write? Okay, so I could post it. Hey, does anybody have an idea of a good story? Now, any of you can respond to that. You could reply to that. So you guys have a chat for each of the homeworks already built in. I am going to delete this because really, I mean, that doesn't add anything whatsoever. But for every homework assignment, you have this conversation button, and that's really what I wanted to show you. Conversation button, view instructions, all this information, drag and drop, or you could type your answers in here, upload. It's graded with a rubric. The rubric's pretty straightforward. It's just how many points you got. All right, gave a good effort with some results, or none whatsoever. Okay, so cancel that. That button, you could also find it here, right, on the assignment instructions. So you still have that talk place. So you can converse about these. You can work together in a group here on Blackboard if you would like to. Of course, you do not have to. Gradebook says I have 2 things to grade. Actually, it'll probably say I have 2 things missing because I haven't done any work yet. I'm a slacker, as you well know. This is probably long enough to give you an introduction to a course you're already 3rd week into, and you probably know what's going on pretty well. I'm going to help Jessica get caught up in the grading, and then we should be good to go. I'll be monitoring those discussions on your assignments, so let me know if you have questions in there as well. All right, thanks for listening. Bye.